Here's a sweet little table that my husband and I got at a flea market one time. It was at the end of the day and it was threatening rain, so they were willing to deal. We got it for $5. Here's what the back looks like, and you just open it up by unfolding it. I struggled here for a minute because we don't use it very often, so I kind of forget sometimes how it works. There's a little track that just slides on, and while I was opening it, did kind of go off track, so I had to straighten it out, but it was no big deal. It is an old table, and we barely use it. We use it like on holidays when we need extra table space for desserts or whatever. I start by doing a little bit of touch up around the edges. I'm leaving the legs as is, but I'm using a water-based stain just around the edges, just to freshen it up just a little bit. I go the whole way around, I let it sit a minute, and then I wipe it back. After that's dry, I apply some tape. Not to that side, just kidding. I'm going to put it on this side because I want to mask it off so I can paint the inside of the table. I'm just using an off-white all-in-one paint. And I'll do 2 coats. White paint is pretty boring, right? Not for long. I'm a Made by Marley brand ambassador, and I'm going to be using 2 stamp sets, one called Fable and the newest one called Hare, to make this little table come to life. While my second coat of paint is drying, I peel up that tape. You might notice here that some of it stayed. That's why you pull it up when your paint is still wet, because I can easily wipe that back. It smears a little at first, but I'm able to keep working at it, and I get rid of that overage. And then I might have to touch up that stain a little bit, but that's okay. I measure for center and then start in the middle with a stamp from the Fable stamp. I just use this flower motif, and that'll be perfect for right in the middle. I'm using IOD ink, Iron Orchid Designs ink. It's a permanent ink, and I'm just putting that stamp right in the center. And that's the beginning of the design. Next, also from the Fable stamp, I use a border. I love this little one. It's so sweet. I think it looks like lace. Next, what I've been waiting for is these sweet little bunnies in the Happy Hare stamp. So I'm using a combination of green and a blue color, and also what's called turmeric to color these stamps. So I'm using all three colors on one stamp. So I'm just kind of being careful, but sometimes they overlap, and that's okay too. Sometimes the stamps are a little faded, but that to me is the joy of handmade work. If I had it to do over again, the one thing I would do differently is to make sure that the big bunny's feet weren't overlapping the border. I could have gone up a little bit higher, and that would have made me even happier. But I do love this design. I'm so happy I was able to fit all four of the happy hairs on the piece, or all four sides rather. When I first did the first two, I thought, oh no, I'm only going to be able to do two sides. But since it's a square, it all worked. Next, in the corners, I did some of the berries that were with this, the little berries and brambles that are included in the Happy Hair stamp set. So I, really wanted to fill in a lot of that space, but then I decided to just kind of hold it back because I really wanted those bunnies to be the stars of the show. You'll have to visit Lel's channel, and also my friend Dar, who's another brand ambassador, DIYs by Dar, for more maximalism. You can purchase Made by Marley stamps at www.madebymarley.co.uk. The last step I was a little bit nervous about. I used some Sweet Pickins dark oil wax. I assumed since the ink is permanent ink that I'd be okay, but I was still a little nervous. But it all worked out. And I think it gave it just the feeling that I want. I think this little table came out looking like a vintage tablecloth. Remember what this table looked like before I got started? I hope you think what I did was a big improvement. I'm happy because it's all fresh looking and I just love these little bunnies. So, and I think the stamp goes perfectly with my decor. Let me know what you think in the comments. I want to thank you so much for watching today. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Please subscribe and hit that hype button. Also, please visit the Tuesday Talk channel. I go live every Tuesday night on the Tuesday Talk channel and also on my Facebook Statement Designs page. Then when you're done, go over to visit the Flippin Bunch and please subscribe there too. We do podcasts every Wednesday night. Stay well.